Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is David, a man after God's own heart. So, David was the youngest son in his family. When the prophet Samuel came to choose the next king of Israel, David's father presented all the older brothers first because they looked strong and impressive, but God did not choose them. God chose David, the youngest, the shepherd boy, who was not even called to the meeting at first. Why did God choose David? The Bible says, God at the heart, not the outward. Appearance. David was not perfect. He made serious mistakes later in life, but David loved God, listened to God, repented when the sin and desired to follow God sincerely. David was chosen not because he was better than others, but because of God's grace and sovereign choice. God changes a person's heart first, and that change heart begins to love and obey God. David's life teaches us that God often chooses unexpected people whose heart belongs to Him. So, in First Samuel 13 to 4, chapter 13, verse 14. But now your kingdom will not endure. The Lord has sought out a man after His own heart and appointed him ruler of His people, because you have not kept the Lord's commandment. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, a person who is determined to know the heart of God. So, ang taong ayon sa puso ng Diyos ay hindi lang basta naniniwala, hinahanap niya kung ano talaga ang nasa puso ng Diyos. Hindi sapat ang surface level faith. May desire siyang makilala ang character, love at purpose ni God sa mas malalim na paraan. And a person who is passionate about doing the will of God. So, hindi lang siya listener, kundi doer ng will ni God. Kahit mahirap o inconvenient, pinipili pa rin niya sundin ang direction ng Diyos. And next is a person who is sorrowful when they do the opposite. Kapag nagkakamali o lumilis sa daan ng Diyos, nakakaramdam siya ng tunay na lungkot at conviction. Hindi dahil sa takot sa punishment, kundi dahil alam niyang nasaktan niya ang puso ng Diyos. And sa applications naman po, read the Bible as if you are reading the heart of God and desire to do what God desired to accomplish. And feel anguish when you take the opposite direction. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.